Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of SQLite series, and in this video we will learn how we can open and close our database. Here you can see that we have create our database, we have write a query to create a table in our database, but before doing the operation like insert database, retrieve data from that database, update or delete database, we need to open our database, and after doing these operations we need to close our database. So in this video we will learn this. So we will learn how to open the database in this function, but you can see that the reference of our database is available db in this function, but you will find a lot of function where you will not find this reference. So let me show you how you can get the reference on those functions. So first of all, we have to type here SQLite database space database is equal to this dot get writable and get readable. Here we have two functions to open our database: get writable database and get readable database. The get writable database is used when you will need to insert database, edit or update database, or if you want to delete a record from your table. But if you want to retrieve data from your database, then you will need get readable database. This get writable database cannot retrieve data for you, then you will need get readable database. So because suppose we want to insert something in our table in our database, then I will use get writable database and semicolon, and after this here you can see that we have get a reference to our database, and here we will write our queries. For suppose you write a query or you insert some data inside your database, and after doing these operations by using this reference of our database, which is database dot close, so we have to use a close function. So this close function will be close our database. So guys, I hope you must understand this basic thing, but it's an important thing we will use oftenly when we will work with SQLite, and I hope you will must enjoy this video. And if you have any question related to this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section and we will try to answer your question. And finally, thanks for watching.